Late at night, when the lights go low, do you wonder if I'm thinking too slow? These dreams of us never fade.
Hey, happy fall, friends. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jenny. This is the House of Jen, where I like to share all things creative. So if that sounds good to you, please like and subscribe. So I wanted to share with you what I found in my little fall haul at Michael's. I don't know about you, but I am a YouTuber, whether you're a YouTuber or just a decorator just hopping on this channel. I am almost done with fall decor. And once October hits, I like to start Christmas decorating, doing all the Christmas decor, crafts, and more. But I still have a little bit of fall itch left. So if you want to find some super budget-friendly, clearancey sort of deals, I suggest you hit up your local Michael's, because I found some fabulous deals. Now, this was about a week ago, so at the time, this was the lowest price of the season, but I like to pick up their candles. This one is the sparkling cider, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. I am that type of person that when I go in the aisle, I like literally unlid each candle, and I put my nose in it and I smell it. And then I put it in my husband's face and I go, "Here, smell this. What do you think?" And so we smelled all the candles. Okay. And the ones we liked the sparkling cider. We did not, for some reason, we did not like the pumpkin pie. It just wasn't our cup of tea. It just didn't smell like a pumpkin pie. I don't know why. Kind of rhyming here. But I'm just gonna go ahead and light this. It smells so good. Oh, and by the way, like I was saying, good deal. This one was $2.49. Literally, they had a 4 for $10 special. I mean, is that not like crazy amazing? So this one, out of all of them, this one was my favorite scent, the sparkling cider. Like I said, they had an orange pumpkin pie, and I don't know why, it just did not smell like pumpkin pie. But they also had a toasted marshmallow, which I kind of liked, but it was just kind of very subdued. So we didn't get that one, but I did get this vanilla kai. Oh man, I really like that. It smells just like a vanilla kai. Like, it makes me want to have that drink, like to order it like from a coffee shop. That smells so good. And I like that it's white. So I almost got the toasted marshmallow. I don't know what it was called, some kind of marshmallow one. But I didn't, because we didn't like the smell quite as much. I also really like Autumn Walk. I almost got 2 of these, but the little apple cider one kind of edged it out for me. So yeah, maybe you don't need 4 candles. Okay, you can put candles in different rooms. You can put them in the bathroom. You can give them for gifts. But I mean, like $2.49 is a really good price. Normally, they were $6.99 a piece, which still isn't a bad deal for a candle, right? All right, I'm going to show you my other little fall things I found. So, you know, House of Jen, we do flower arranging. We do fresh flowers. We do faux flowers. We do wreaths. And I just found, oh my gosh, this whole bouquet. I really love the Ashland bouquets. I am not a Halloween sort of girl, okay? That's just not my vibe. But I do like the dark, this is noted Halloween, but I like the dark red, and it's kind of like, if you see, it has kind of darker tones, kind of scarlet tones. And I think this would be really nice to double. I like decor that you could double. You could easily double this for like Valentine's Day, or you could, you know, just incorporate it into your fall decor. But this is super high quality. So I got 2 of the Ashland bouquets, and oh my goodness, this one's probably my favorite. I think it's so pretty, so realistic. And if you're doing a wreath or something, you could totally clip off all the foliage and like disassemble the whole thing. But these little beautiful bouquets, rose and dahlia, these were only $3.99 a piece. So if I had gotten there a little bit sooner, I would have gotten the extra 15% off, and they would have only been $3.49, which is insanely good. And then I got some little filler flowers. So this one is a little like doll. This is Halloween as well, but it's just like, what is it called? Bush Gerbe dahlia, like just the little baby dahlia. And as you can see, the quality is not as good as the Ashland bouquets. I don't know if you can see that, but this is more of a silky. So if you do get a little bit less quality, I would suggest incorporating it into a wreath or something like that. But that is probably what I'm going to do with these, is to just craft with the quality. I picked up several. I got these little cream varieties, and I can't remember exactly. 2 of these were 99 cents, and the other 2 were like 79 cents. So these, of course, the quality, you can tell, not quite as good as the bouquets, but, you know, that's a choice you have to make. So if you are like, hey, Jenny, I'm all like spent out for the fall season, I hear you. So I have some other fun, free, like no spend holiday decor, and I want to show you some of those ideas. Okay, so I know we typically think of like pine cones or those tiny little bitty acorns when you're on nature walks. Grab like a big bag, like a recyclable bag or something where you can just pick them up on your nature walk. And I don't know what it is, but when you put your hands on something in nature, it's very grounding. It's very just appreciating what God has placed in nature for us. So I have this huge thing that I gathered of a huge bowl of hickory nuts. And for our particular area that we live in, we have a lot of hickory nut trees around. And so some of them are just the holes, which I think are very pretty. And then some of them are kind of split open in 4 different corners. And then I also included some smaller, like light colored ones and just different sizes. And I thought, you know, these would be really, really pretty displayed. You could put them in like a beautiful silver bowl or a white bowl. I love like the modern organic style is really, really kind of trending right now. And so when you can incorporate organic pieces and put a little twist in it, it's really fun. So what I'm going to do, I had thrifted this really tall glass vase, and I got it, let's see, it says, yes, it was at the thrift store for $3.99. And I don't know about you, but I think that would be pretty tough to find unless it was in a clearance section at the retail store, and it has a very unique shape. So this one, I originally thought it would be fun for florals, but a lot of the flowers, the stems are a little too short. So I decided to just use this for fillers. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna take the hickory nuts and we're just gonna drop them in here and just fill it on up. Now you really, really could combine, I have like dried oranges, so that would be really pretty to mix in. Like you could mix in other things like pine cones or the small acorns, but I kind of like the look of just all the hickory nuts to give it just a one kind of monochrome look to it. I was scrolling through Pinterest, and I also saw which I thought was so ingenious, I saw how people actually created like wreaths out of these hickory nuts, and I thought, how absolutely ingenious, how creative is that? So You could leave this like halfway. I'm kind of like a more is more when you have a tall vase. So we're just gonna fill it on up. This is just so fun. You could put this in a shelf. You could put it in like a corner vignette in the kitchen. To me, it almost has coffee vibes because I always have coffee on my mind. Let me tell you. Oh, I like this one where it's kind of opened up like a blossom. Really pretty. So yeah, just throw it all in. We're gonna throw it all in like so. And we're just gonna add an organic bow. I have this raffia sort of piece, and I am just going to put this around like a little sash. And I just like how natural this looks. Oh my goodness. I'm not even going to try to do a bow tie or anything. And this whole thing, I already had the vase. Y'all, it was free.
I upcycled these dried flowers from a fresh flower arrangement and stuck them in a mustard-colored vase.
When you're lost and miles away, do you wish we never changed? Do you need me like the stars need now?
If you're looking for some budget-friendly mums, check out your local Aldi. I found these for $4.99. My dahlias are still blooming, but they are a bit overgrown.
Every whisper from the past we shared still echoes in my heart, unprepared for every moment you let go. I still hold on, and I want you to know when you're chasing all your dreams, you are still living between. Do you need me like the stars need night?
When I went to Walmart, I was pleasantly surprised to find this gorgeous jumbo yellow mum. I think it was like $13.97.
Late at night when the lights go low, do you wonder if I'm thinking too slow? These dreams of us never fade. I've been hoping to still feel the same way.
If scented candles are not your thing, you have to try a simmer pot. It is wonderful. Your whole house smells absolutely delicious. I just cut up a few slices of lemon and some green apple and some fragrant cinnamon sticks and tossed them into a pan at medium-low heat. And you could, if you had some vanilla extract, you could toss that in too, or some whole cloves. I only had powdered cloves, and so I just dashed that in, but just be sure to stir it often so it doesn't burn the pan at the bottom.
When you're lost and miles away, do you wish we never changed? Do you need me like the stars need night?
Well, happy fall, friends. I hope this gave you some fun ideas to inspire you. Budget-friendly, free, or almost free, fall can still be fabulous.